Hey guys, it's Rebecca from Mama Bear Custom Wreaths, and welcome to my channel, Mama Bear Custom Wreaths, where I make wreaths and all things home decor, and I show you how I do it all. So today we're gonna be making a floral arrangement, and I wanted to make something that was kind of muted, classy, but pops of bold spring colors. So I don't know if you guys have picked up on some of my prior tutorials, if you have watched my prior tutorials, and if you're not, if you haven't, welcome. You'll soon find out I love pink. The hotter the pink, the brighter the pink, the happier it makes me. So I'm gonna use some really, really bright florals on this tutorial. So let's get started. I have these gorgeous pink and some purple tulips. I have a simple round glass vase, looks like a cup, just a glass vase. And we're gonna use some clear glue. And I have these little stones that we're gonna be using. And that's it. So let's get started. So let's put our glass away. I got these at Michael's. They have really pretty tulips this time of year. These are the bigger size tulips. And I'm just gonna bend them like this and then snip. That's it. So some of these have a leaf. Same thing at the very bottom, snip it. So I've already snipped a couple. I may use more, I don't know. But I've snipped a couple of them here. So I've cut a couple of our tulips. I put a little bit more pink because I just love pink. So we're gonna put those aside for a sec. We're going to get our glass vase. Now, I wanted to make, I wanted this floral arrangement to kind of look real in a sense that it's in water instead of just being in foam and, you know, your Spanish moss over it. That's kind of typical, everyone does that, which I do it too, I love it. But I wanted something a little bit different where it looks like it's in water, it's clear. So that's the look that I'm going for. So we're gonna take our clear glue, and this is a more inexpensive way of doing this instead of using very expensive resin. Okay, so we don't wanna get bubbles in our water. We're gonna try to eliminate the bubbles or you get as least amount of bubbles. So in order to do that, what we need to do is very slowly pour in our glue and pour it in a way where air doesn't get trapped. So we're gonna take the top off and we're gonna quickly move it upside down in there. And just let the glue drip. You guys have heard of watching paint dry? We're watching glue drip. So I love the resin look. You know, you can buy the florals, the floral vases or the vases with flowers. I can't talk today, y'all. I don't know what's wrong with me, but you know what I'm saying, have some grace. They're kind of expensive because resin is very expensive actually. So, and it's very time consuming also. You have to be very, very careful with it. So this is a little bit quicker, a little bit easier, and a lot cheaper. You're welcome. We can achieve the same look. Okay, so far I have used one whole bottle. And then I'm gonna get these, let me get them out so I can show them to you. I'm gonna use, not my ribbon scissors. And just kind of open this up and show you just little clear rocks. Aren't these pretty? So we're gonna put those inside our vase. And the reason why I put the stones in after the glue is because I didn't want them to just be at the bottom. If you put the stones in at the end, they kind of float to the top, or they kind of stay more at the top, which kind of gives it, to me, it gives it a, it looks like there's ice in there. So I do like that look better. But that's just me. You could put a couple at the bottom if you wanted it to look all the, like there was ice everywhere. Let's just drop a couple in there. And I'll show you what it looks like so far. I'm trying not to put my fingerprints everywhere. It looks like you're drinking a glass of water. That looks so cute. So, add a couple more. Now I'm gonna get some more glue. Okay, so here we are with our second bottle of clear glue. I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. And this is up to personal, preference, how much water you want it to have. So I didn't quite use the full 2 bottles. And now we're gonna put, let me scoot this back. Now we're gonna put a couple more rocks. Really looks like ice. How cool that looks. Okay, so I think we're pretty good on our rocks. There are some that look like they're floating, so that's pretty cool. Let me put one more. Now we're gonna start putting our florals in. Isn't this simple? And just kind of where we want it. This one has a leaf. Place them where we like them. And I'm going to try to put the leaves spread out so that they're not all jumbled together. And kind of mix and match the colors also. Let that one sink towards the bottom. We also want to do our flowers different heights so that they're not just, they don't look like pencils. And I wish that they made these a little bit longer, but this is as long as they can make it. So if you want to get a shorter vase, you can. I see a lot of purple there. Let's break that up a little bit. And just kind of play with it to get them where you want them. So I'm probably going to use up this whole stem. Isn't that cute? It looks like fresh flowers that you just picked. So you don't have to use tulips. You can use whatever flower you like. I love this. Look at how just the bright colors, the vibrance of the colors. And then I just love it that it looks like it's in water. See that? Oh, I love this. I love, 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 love this. So I'm gonna leave this overnight to dry. I'm probably gonna just leave it and not move it for like a couple days actually, just to make sure that it stays where it is and I don't mess with it and move things around. But this is a super, super fun, simple way that you can decorate your home without spending all the big bucks. If you go to a store, even if you go to a TJ Maxx or a Ross and you try to buy your floral arrangements that are in resin, they're expensive. So if you use clear glue and these little stones, these little clear looking stones, you can make your own with any flower that you like. So this is also great for a present Mother's Day. As I'm filming this, Mother's Day is coming up. So this is a great present for Mother's Day. Real flowers, while they're beautiful and they smell great for like a day or two, they die. Just hate to be a buzzkill, but they die. This will last you for years. All right, guys, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know where you're watching me from. If you're in the US, what state? I am in Texas. And if you're from out of the country, let me know as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.